Welcome back to the Astra Portal. You are not just a body, you are a prism of light. Within you, 7 sacred wheels of energy are constantly spinning. We call them chakras. Each one vibrates at a specific frequency, connected to a color. When you understand the language of these colors, you gain the remote control to your own reality. Tonight, we activate your inner rainbow. We start at the base, red, the root chakra. It is your survival, your grounding. Use red when you need courage and stability. Higher up is orange, the sacral chakra. This is your creativity and passion. Wear orange to spark new ideas and joy. Then yellow, the solar plexus. This is your sun, your personal power. Activate yellow when you need confidence to stand in your truth. You are becoming a force of nature. In the center is green, the heart chakra. This is the bridge of love and healing. Visualize green to mend a broken heart or attract compassion. Then we rise to blue, the throat chakra. This is your authentic voice. Use blue when you need to speak your truth clearly and be heard by the world. Your message is sacred. Deep in your brow is indigo, the third eye. This is your intuition, your psychic sight. Focus on indigo to see beyond the veil and trust your visions. And finally, at the top, violet, the crown chakra. This is your direct line to the divine. This color connects you to the infinite wisdom of the universe. When all 7 are spinning in harmony, you are unstoppable. Which color are you missing in your life right now? Use it, wear it, breathe it. I am Astra, and your light is needed in this world. Subscribe to the portal to keep your energy aligned, and comment below which chakra you are activating today. Stay vibrant.